Hi, I'm Fat Papa. Today I will tell you how to cook the good taste rice cake. Let us begin. Right, Lunar New Year is in the corner, and then rice cake is one of the favorite dishes for Lunar New Year. But this time I don't want to tell you how to homemake it. I will tell you how to buy the make one and then cook it and it still tastes good. The reason is that homemade one normally will be a large portion and then one flavor, but you buy it, you can buy the small size and then you have different flavor. Like this time I will have the red bean and then the original taste and then the coconut flavor. First we will cut the slice for the one you want. Like if you have, like us, we have 4 people and then we have 3 flavor. Normally 1/4 of the rice cake is enough. If you buy the even smaller size, probably half of it. You just think how many pieces you want. After you cut it, it will be really hard at the beginning. It's normal, and that's why I want to tell you some tips. Like for me to cook that many years, it will be a good taste rice cake. First, you cut it slice, and each slice don't be really thick. About ½ inch or even less than it will be fine. Then after you cut slice these pieces, then you have 1 egg to prepare. Like for my portion, like 3 different flavor, we will need 2 eggs. 1 might not be enough, like 2 will add a little bit extra, but it's fine. Then you put just a little bit of the oil, because the rice cake they will have the oil. Like you cook bacon, like you don't really need to put that many oil on it. It's the same idea. And then you put it in there, and then with a little bit egg. It's not like use the egg to make it taste better. The egg, the main reason is like when you cook it, they won't stick together. And rice cake is supposed after you cook it, they will be really soft. It's not hard anymore. They will like the mochi. It will be soft and taste pretty good. And this time I want to show you use different kind of fire, like how it will cook. The first one, the red bean flavor, I will use the medium fire, and later on you will see it will not be that good on the color wise, but it will turn black. And then I will use the medium low, then low. Use low fire, it will take a longer time. A lot of people might not want it, but you will be really nice looking, and then the flavor. See, now it's like softened. As long as like it can be softened like me, like you can flip it over, that is done. Because rice cake mostly you buy from outside, they're already cooked. You just need to heat it up and then make it soften. And then now this is the original taste. We use the medium low, and then the last one is like the low fire to slowly cook it. You will see the color on the egg and then on the rice cake is different. But if you use low fire to cook it, it will be taste as good as the homemade one. I hope you will like it. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. Let me show you how good it looks and how soft it is on the low fire. See how soft it is? I hope you like the video. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.